Are you tired of the numbness or tingling in your feet and hands, or struggling with throbbing and sharp pain? If you are one of the millions of people who suffer from nerve damage, then this video might help you out. In today's video we will not talk about expensive medicine or something, but we'll share with you top 10 natural foods to miraculously heal nerve damage. Yes, natural foods to heal nerve damage. So let's start. Berries. Our healing journey begins with the vibrant world of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help protect nerves from oxidative stress, aiding in their repair. Nerve damage occurs when free radicals interact with cell tissues and cause deterioration of the cells. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and heal damaged nerves. Acai berries can prevent nerve cell damage by turning off the inflammatory pathways, as they contain anthocyanins like cyanidin, malvidin, and delphinidin. These colorful treats also contain compounds that support healthy nerve signaling. Adding a handful of these berries to your daily diet can be a delightful way to support your nerve health. Ginger, a common food item found in almost every household and a common food that most people don't love to eat in raw form. In the world of remedies, it is one of the most widely used foods. Garlic has anti-inflammatory factors which reduce the pain of the nerves and has a healing ability because of the presence of gingerol. In order to reduce the pain and discomfort of cramps and neuropathy irritation, ginger oil is used. Ginger tea is also used for health purposes. It is a popular beverage made by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. It's not only soothing but also offers potential health benefits, such as boosting the immune system and aiding digestion. Adding a bit of ginger to your diet can also help you in remarkable ways. Low-fat dairy. Dairy is consumed daily by most, in fact all, the people across the world. Low-fat dairy balances the intake of necessary fats up to a well-required level. However, the addition of amino acids that can fight your damaged nerves makes it a superfood to have in your diet. The amino acid is called acetyl-L-carnitine, which functions as an antioxidant in our body and creates healthy nerve cells. It significantly increases the energy level and reduces the pain due to damaged nerves. Quinoa. Although it's commonly considered to be a grain, quinoa is actually a flowering plant that produces edible seeds. Quinoa is a great source of potassium, which aids effective conduction of messages through nerves. It's an excellent source of magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and folate. There are over 3,000 varieties of quinoa, but the most commonly cultivated and consumed types are white, red, and black quinoa. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for people with celiac disease or those who are sensitive to gluten. This superfood also contains protein, fiber, iron, copper, and vitamin B6. While whole grain cereals may lead to an adverse effect on damaged nerves, quinoa serves as a nutritious alternative. Water. Okay, water isn't really a food, but we can't forget water, as 70% of our body is made up of water. In fact, it provides a number of benefits for your whole body, as well as for your nerves. Water reduces nerve stress, and it can help to relax muscles. That can mean reduced pain, healthier nerves, and faster recovery from nerve damage. Be sure to drink plenty of water alongside your diet to keep your body and nerves hydrated. Fatty fish. Swimming over to our next contender, fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic wonders possess anti-inflammatory properties that can contribute to nerve healing. Omega-3s are known to promote healthy nerve cell membranes, ensuring optimal communication between nerves. So, consider including salmon, mackerel, or sardines in your meals to give your nerves the TLC they deserve. Leafy greens. Now, let's turn our attention to leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are veritable nutrient powerhouses. Packed with vitamins like folate and magnesium, these greens assist in nerve regeneration and help maintain nerve function. They also contain alpha-lipoic acid, which is important for better functioning and relieving neuropathic pain. Their versatile nature makes them easy to incorporate into salads, smoothies, or even sautés. Nuts and seeds. Time to crack open the benefits of nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin E and healthy fats. These components contribute to repairing damaged nerves and supporting overall nerve health. They are an easy way to include micronutrients in your diet and improve nerve health. They are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in healing nerve damage. You can consider eating almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds to heal nerve damage. Turmeric, an age-old spice that is known for its medicinal benefits. Be it chasing away the common cold or mending a cut, this kitchen item always comes to your aid. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, which contributes to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It is due to this antioxidant that turmeric can help heal damaged nerves. The most intriguing fact about turmeric is that you can consume it in so many ways. You can just pour in a teaspoon of turmeric into your curry, dissolve it in milk and drink it, or you can make a healthy turmeric tamarind drink. Soybeans. Soybeans serve as a great source of micronutrients that benefit the human body. It has a considerable amount of iron and calcium essential for the proper functioning of our body. Moreover, soybean can be a boon for you if you are looking for ways to relieve yourself from neuropathic pain. Did you know? Soybeans are one of the few plant-based foods that are considered a complete protein source, containing all the essential amino acids that our bodies need. They are rich in vitamin B2, which plays a significant role in healing damaged nerves. Therefore, do not forget to include soybeans while planning your meals. But beware, soybeans are one of the 8 major allergens, along with peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, wheat, fish, and shellfish. Soy allergies can range from mild to severe.